You may be interested to know that your Lincoln may be equipped with SiriusXM Radio that gives you over 150 channels including commercial-free music, plus the best sports, news, talk, comedy, and entertainment to turn every ride into an enjoyable one? Let me tell you about it. Vehicles equipped with SiriusXM come with a pre-activated 6-month all-access trial subscription, which includes SiriusXM Radio for your vehicle, plus the ability to enjoy SiriusXM while outside your Lincoln by streaming online and on the SiriusXM app. Keep in mind, in order to stream SiriusXM, you'll need to set up your account with a username and password online. From the Sirius screen, to search channels using the touchscreen, touch Channel Guide. A full list of categories will appear, select the one you want, and a list of channels will display. Scroll to the channel you want and touch it. Once you choose a category, you can use the View button to view by channel, song title, or artist. There's also an option that lets you skip channels or lock them out from young listeners. From the listing screen, anytime you touch the Skip button next to a specific channel or use the Seek up and down buttons, that channel will be automatically skipped when manually tuned using the Tune Up or Tune Down buttons. Touching the Lock button, followed by your PIN number, will prevent that channel from being listened to. To search channels using voice commands, use the voice button on your steering wheel, wait for the beep, then say Browse Sirius, and a full list of categories will appear. Touch the one you want to hear, and once you decide, touch the voice button and then say the channel number, like Sirius Channel 28. Or you can use the voice button and just say the name or number of the channel, like Spectrum for example, and it will tune to that channel. To tune into a specific channel using the touchscreen, touch the Direct Tune button, then enter the station number using the number keypad and hit enter. Replay allows you to listen to up to 44 minutes of previously cached content from the current channel. The system will begin storing content once a channel is selected. To replay a song, just tap the Seek Back button once and it will jump back to the prior song. To jump multiple songs or listen to content farther back, tap the Seek Back button multiple times. To return to real-time content, touch the Replay button again and it will bring you back to live audio. You can also input preset channels for quick selection. To do so, tune to the channel you wish to save, then touch and hold one of the memory preset buttons. The sound will mute for a brief moment before resuming when the channel is saved. To add or view additional preset channels, just touch the Preset button. You can save up to 18 SiriusXM channels with the 3 sets of presets. Another feature you may appreciate is Alert, which when available, notifies you if a specific artist or song you previously selected is being played on another channel. You'll first need to enable alerts. To do so, touch the Alert button here, then the Enable Alerts button. To set an alert, anytime you hear a song or artist you want to be notified of, touch the Alert button, choose either the artist, song title, or both to add them to your alert list. You'll get a message letting you know they've been saved. Now, anytime that song or artist is being played on any channel, you'll receive a message on your screen asking if you'd like to tune to that channel, delete, or disable alerts. To delete an alert, touch Edit Alert, choose the name of the alert you wish to delete, and hit the delete box next to it. Or you can also choose Delete All. Oh, one more thing. For more information and a list of all available SiriusXM programming, refer to the SiriusXM brochure located in your glove box or visit SiriusXM.com. We hope we've answered your questions. For more information, please visit owner.lincoln.com.